Hi everybody, today I'm going to make pineapple cornbread. Never done it before. I looked it up, people have done it, but I'm not following really a recipe. I'm gonna do 2 boxes because I wanna put it in a 9x13 pan instead of like an 8x8. So I'm using 2 boxes of corn mix. Good old Jiffy, it's a winner. And then 2 eggs. And I'm going to kind of do it like pineapple upside down, where I'm going to get a pan. I'm just going to put it in a regular old aluminum pan because I'm going to take it with me to my daughter and fiance's. So I want to coat the bottom with brown sugar and butter first. And then I think I said 2 eggs. And then all the pineapple I still have left over when I juiced it. I'm not throwing it away. No. Okay, let's get started. Oven is preheating. Forgot my butter. Let me pop this in the oven. And then I buy my brown sugar in bulk, so I dry can it. I vacuum seal it. I've shown that in a video a long time ago. It's real simple and I love it. I almost like bulk, anything you buy in bulk, croutons, flour, baking soda, sugar. What else have I done? Cereal, anything dry, anything, rice. Now I like my opener. And I like this opener instead of a different one because it'll kink. This one won't kink it. Plus this one, if it had a screw top, it's great. So I go slow. And I got it in there right. There we go. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so that's ready for when the butter's done. So let me get the 2 eggs in here. Makes too much noise. Maggie's got a brand new toy. I'm glad she likes it. She's very picky. I'm going to put some juice in here. That's probably a 1/4 cup. And then these have a 1/3 cup of milk. So I still have some leftover fresh squeezed juice. Where is that? I put it in an empty apple. Well, I'm gonna eyeball probably another 1/2 cup. Okay, box number 1. And technically technically everything here I had in my pantry because I canned the pineapple. So that was in my pantry. Brown sugar was because it's bulk pantry. Eggs, not pantry so much, but it's in my fridge. The cornbread mix was in my pantry. Sometimes just stand there, look at what you got, and see what you can do. I suppose I should switch to a spatula. Well, almond's ready, but I don't know if my butter is yet. Doubt it. You're always waiting for something that takes forever, hey? It'd be cool if somebody made a gadget that would like reach up there and scrape your spatula for you. I want to get one of those flat spatulas. You know, like these are squished flat. Can't find them. My pan will probably be too big, but let's see, right? Let's see. Maybe. Let's see something out there. All right, let me check the butter. Nope, not quite. So I'll bring you back when the butter's ready. Okay, so that's good enough. It'll melt as it sits there. I turned the oven up to 400. The reason being is, this is more of a cornbread than a cake, so I'm going to cook it according to the cornbread directions. And this can be as, see how this isn't even like dry after it sits? You'd think it would be like all hard and dry. It's really moist. When I found that food saver attachment, I just have the handheld. I have the handheld. I'll go show it to you. Actually, I'll show it to you how it works. Now I just kind of clump this in. I don't think I'll ever buy canned pineapple again. After doing this, it's, oh, you'll have to check out my video. If you can ever find delicious pineapple, I mean truly good, like buy one on sale and see if it's any good. Go back and get to that limit over and over again. I did. I think I went 4 times. And I canned it. And it's easy to can. The only icky part or hard part is the cutting it. But it's fresh pineapple and it's so good. Okay. That is so good. Okay. You could probably put a can of creamed corn in here too. That would be good. Since I've never done this one before, I'm just trying pineapple, right? I don't want it to go bad. I don't want to throw it out. Let all that butter go. Okay, let me get this in the oven and then I'll show you the... I can touch that now. Okay, let me go get it. So this is it. It's by Food Saver. I got it at Walmart and you can get it online. It's rechargeable. And then you have small mouth and large mouth. And then you pop that on. Hope it's charged. Put this, center it over the hole. So I bet it's sealed because when you hear that suction and then when you listen and the the sound changes. Yep. Amazing. I'm going to put it right back on my shelf or in my cabinet. Excellent. So now I'll bring you back when I set it for 25 minutes because I want to check it. Well, that was 25 minutes and it looks. Toothpick came out clean. I don't know if you can see it. Hot. So I'm gonna let that cool. Look, smells great. I'll try a little piece when it's cool. Maybe they won't notice. I don't want to take it down there if it tastes bad. I think it's cool enough. Hold on, Maggie. We'll go outside in a second. That's the brown sugar. Ooh, steamy. Oh yeah. A whole lot of, oh yeah. This is great. Mmm. And the cornbread gives it a crunch, whereas a cake would be, you know, smooth. The cake one that I do with this is so good too. Cornbread's different. It's different, but it's really, it's good different. It's a whole, it's like, I don't know which one I like better. I think they'll like it. I'm positive they'll like it. I don't think it'll last for long. Thanks for watching. Bye.